we must make sure that when we vote, we don't vote with emotions. Why would a Muslim, a true Muslim, vote for DA that supports apartheid Israel, which is committing genocide? A Muslim that votes for a Patriotic Alliance that took a platform and said, kill Hamas. You vote for ACDP that said, we cannot cut relations with Israel. Who support killing of children? Who identifies kids as a threat? So we're making a plea today that Lanesia Ward 9 is a no-go area for those who support genocide. And we are not going to block them physically. We are going to block them through our vote. That with immediate effect, we want the Israeli embassy closed.